So you have a pair of white sneakers or just any sneakers at all that you love but not so confident with how to wash it? Well, then I made this video just for you. I also share some tips on how I keep my sneakers fresh and clean, and if you watch to the end, I'll share a bonus tip on how to prevent your shoes from creasing. Welcome back to my channel, gentlemen. And if you're new here, you love the content, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just dive right into it. I used the same cleaning approach in washing my Yeezy Triple Whites when I had an unfortunate incident. The pair on the right came out looking like the one on the left, but just had to soak it in soapy water overnight. What was the incident? Well, this is what happens when you leave your shoes on top of your car and drive off to work. Yeah. But enough about the weird things that I do. Let's just focus on washing shoes for now. You need clean water in the bowl, but you can also wash it in your sink, clear shower gel, and cotton wipes. First, undo the laces. Squirt an ample amount of the clear shower gel onto the cotton wipe. Work up a lather and begin to scrub the shoe all over. And I emphasize clear shower gel to avoid any risk of discolorations. Next is with a new bowl of water and using a new facial cotton wipe, I rinse the pair of sneakers. Again, using the cotton wipe, dab off all excess water and try to make the sneakers as dry as possible. Leave the shoes somewhere to fully dry whilst you grab yourself a cup of tea or finish a game of Flappy Bird or something. The shoes dry, and here's the first tip to keep the shoes fresh and clean. Stuff it with tissue paper. You can use a shoe tree, but I prefer tissue paper because you can stuff as much as you want in there to ensure the shape is maintained. It also helps reduce the appearance of creases. Now it's time to lace up. Tip 2. Store the shoes away in a shoebox. Finally, the bonus tip to keep your shoes fresh. Never wear your sneakers twice or more in a row. Always allow a day or two in between wears, as this will allow the leather to breathe and reduce the appearance of creases. Can I just say that I am trying to stunt, man, but the Yeezys jumped over the jump, man. No? Okay. Well, that's it for now, and until my next video, gentlemen,